Stick around if you're a beginner trader or an advanced trader, because we're going to be walking you through how to get involved with PUPrime right now. There are a lot of bonuses and a lot of things you can get from signing up with this broker. And in my opinion, guys, just based on the speed, the fees, the spreads, everything like this, I mean, this is one of the best brokers in the world. So without further ado, this isn't financial advice, but let's dive into this. So here we are on the PUPrime website. As you can see, fantastic site. These guys have a bunch of clients, very, very established broker, over 1,000 different trading products, including crypto, depending on your country. And they have really good regulatory licenses, allowing you to access PUPrime from over 200 different countries. Now, this is one of the best brokers out there for me because they have this copy trading system. I'll walk you through exactly how to sign up and get involved with this. But as you can see, you can basically find traders that are doing well, copy them, and then when they take a profitable trade, you take a profitable trade instantly, and everyone makes money. So good stuff there. But how do we get involved with this? First of all, press the link in the description, guys, and then you'll be sent to a page like so. Now, from this point, you're going to select your country. I am in Thailand. I'm going to put your name, email, your password that you want, obviously make it good, and then obviously make sure our referral code is in there as well. And then from that point, simply just press create account. Next, you're going to want to sign in. And as you can see here, this is the page you'll be greeted with. So here we can see all of the different currencies that we've got here to play with. That includes forex, crypto, shares, indices, metals, commodities, and ETFs. So basically any type of asset you want to trade, you can trade here on PUPrime. Now they've got an X-Trader system here, which is really, really cool. You're gonna have to connect your account to that. But what's important here is actually registering with KYC. So next I'm gonna talk you through KYC. Super easy to do. Every broker has to have this implemented for security reasons, of course, and we can see here that this is no different. So account opening verification, you can actually deposit and get a trading account here using the personal details and what we've already submitted. That's good stuff. Then you're going to want to submit your ID verification. So this can be your passport, your driver's license, etc. But once that's approved, you can essentially trade very, very easily on the platform, which I consider to be very good. And then you're going to need to verify your address. That could be from a landlord contract or a bill or something like this, right? Super easy to do that, and you will unlock withdrawal after that. So good stuff there. From that point, you can go to the X-Trader section here where, yes, you can set up your account. You can do a basic account or a plus account. Obviously, the plus account will cost more, but the basic account is only $160 here to get going. And you're essentially going to get a $10,000 balance to trade with. And you can see here that there are some rules to do with this, right? So the profit target for this account is to get 10%, and then your account will be upgraded to a higher balance. And there's also a max loss here as well. So if you lose 10% of the account, then obviously you're going to have to pay this again. But this is a great way to pay with a little amount and trade with a bigger amount here. So you can also go all the way up here to $400,000 accounts, which is fantastic. And that's only going to cost you 2.1K. So great way to get set up with a big account for a very little amount here. And with this huge account that you've purchased, you can basically get 80% of the profit. So if you make a few good trades after paying this with your $400,000 account, you can imagine the profit you can get from that. So a great, great way to get started with your trading journey and trade with big amounts for small upfront. So that's good there. They've also got a bunch of bonuses here, as you can see, in which, yes, you can get 100% deposit bonus. You can get a copy trading competition here, which is very easy to enter. And yes, there's a bunch of other events here that you can take advantage of. So one of the best brokers out there. But overall, that is how you get set up with PUPrime. From that point, you can go in and trade on the X-Trader very easily and trade all of these assets that we've already spoken about. So good stuff there from PUPrime. Definitely check it out in the description, guys. That is going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day.